Okay, so I have a 2007 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited X. Yesterday, my bushing messed up inside of my shifter, and it will not shift. So in order for my husband to fix it, he's going to have to remove the console. Well, the problem that we had was trying to remove the four-wheel drive shifter knob. And so I looked and looked online trying to figure out how in the world to remove this thing, and my husband worked all day on this. So I came out here and I figured out how to remove it easily. And I'm not the strongest person in the world, and I do not have a strong grip at all. But this is what I done. So he pulled so hard. This is just like broken. So he's going to work on that and fix it. But what I done is I had placed it all the way back. And the shifter knob, I had turned it to 1 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 11 o'clock. As I was doing that, I was pulling at the same time and it popped right off. So, don't use a Dremel. Don't strain yourself and pull a muscle in your chest. Just try to do it this way and do it from 1 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and pull at the same time and it'll pop off. Good luck.